Hello everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Before I get started, it is December 24. It is 12:14 p.m. according to my watch, and that means Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Advance Merry Christmas. Let me be one of the very first to greet every single one of you. Merry Christmas. Sobrang mahal ko kayong lahat. To everyone that has been watching this vlog, to everyone who's been commenting this vlog, who's been supporting this vlog, I am thankful for every single one of you. Maraming salamat. I love you guys. Merry Christmas. Okay, now for today's episode, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'll be heading on over to Greenhills. I'll be picking up an item which I consider to be my Christmas gift for myself. Totoo yung sa so sama lang kayo. We'll head on over to Greenhills. We'll buy the item. We'll unbox it and then I'll probably share my first impressions. But the review will come in a separate vlog. Okay? So kung excited kayo doon, keep on watching. Tara, punta tayong Greenhills. Let's go. Wow! Now, whenever I go out of the house to do vlogs, I don't really like bringing my giant camera. So I got this new setup. It's called the Olanzi Smartphone Vlog Kit. It's 3,350 pesos pero kompleto na siya. So it has that grip. Hi Cleo, that's my cat. It has like a microphone and it even has like light. So it comes in this packet over here. Has a carrying case. So ito yung like grip that functions as a mini tripod. You have the microphone. You even have like lights. Again, this is a nice setup considering it's just 3,200 pesos. So we'll be switching over to a mobile setup kasi ayoko magdala ng malaking camera. So let's go. So before we head on out to Greenhills, I'm with the Wifey. Papakilala namin sa inyo ang aming penguins. So babe, Ushu! Yan si Poon. Tapos yan si Penny, o diba? Ang cute nila. Ang laki-laki ng ulo! Parang ako! Ushu! So we're here in Greenhills. Hanap lang kami ng restaurant na kakainan. Tender Bob's, one of our favorite restaurants in Greenhills. So usually ang in-order namin dito yung potato skin. Basta may potato skin dito. Basta may potato skin sila, sobrang sarap. Kasi ito ang kanilang skillet signature steak. Diba? Panalo. This is the Tender Bob's potato skin. So sobrang sarap niyang appetizer. So pwede mo siya dip dito sa cheese or ano ba to, garlic sauce. Basta sobrang sarap. So mukbang. This is my Christmas gift to myself. This is the Airpods Max. So this is like the newest headphones of Apple. So thank you to DG Gadgets on Instagram for hooking me up with this one at a great price. So apparently it comes in different colors and this one matches the color of the iPhone that I have. And this is also matching, I think, the color of the iPhone mini that I got that I'll be unboxing very soon. So if you want like a pink version or like a black version, meron siya. Ang problema lang natin, it's super expensive. I think the SRP is around 32 and the current resale price is around 40. So it's a bit pricey. But yeah, if you're interested to see what Apple's take is on headphones, this is it. So we'll go back home, unbox it, check it out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about the AirPods Max. So we're back home, but before we get to the unboxing, meron lang tayong bagong segment. Itanong mo kay Mrs.
Ano ba yan?
So somebody asked on IG, tanong ka daw kay Mrs. Ipatanong kay Mrs. Miss Mitch, meron bang magandang tips on how to start strong in 2021? Siguro babe, medyo nahirapan siya kasi diba 2020 was kind of difficult. So what tips would you give somebody who's looking for a strong start in 2021?
Actually, one tip lang naman, whether it's a pandemic or ordinary day or hirap ka lang sa work or anything about life, mindset lang, may ilaw, ping. The mindset lang talaga, I think, lalo na ngayon, it's a year na we should all be thankful na we still have our health and or if nagkasakit tayo na we recovered. So, yung mindset lang talaga is to have a grateful mindset na everyday kaya mo pang gumising, kaya mo pa gumawa ng paraan sa lahat ng mga kailangan mong gawin. And yun lang, just wake up thankful na God would give you another day I think na if you wake up thinking about the things na you're thankful for, everything else overflows kaysa yung versus yung gigising ka tapos ang dami mong pwede namang isipin na that could go wrong or gone wrong. Pero pag inisip mo lahat ng mga bagay na andyan, na blessed ka, you'll be empowered to, to move forward and to make the most out of your day. So, lalo na yung 2021, ang daming painful na nangyari nitong 2020, but the fact lang na pwede ka pang tumingin na may 2021 is already a blessing in itself. Just look around you, see your family, mga minamahal mo sa buhay, and yeah, yung opportunities that are still there, and just be thankful. We never know naman how many days we still have on this earth, so just be thankful you have another one.
Yun. So in short, a grateful heart is a strong heart. So hashtag grateful heart, strong heart. So that's it, guys. We'll go up, we'll unbox the Airpods Max, and again, advance Merry Christmas to everyone. We have the Airpods Max over here. Again, shout out to DG Gadgets for the hookup. I will link down below to their Instagram account. They're the same guys I got my iPhone 12 Pro from, and I even bought a MacBook M1 Pro from them. I'll unbox that MacBook very soon. So as you guys can see, this is in the blue color, and as with most Apple products, it's very easy to remove the plastic. You just peel a certain part and everything comes apart. I love the fact that they think about the unboxing experience, and that's something that I actually really appreciate. So here you have it. If we pop the box open, tara buksan natin, excited na ako. Airpods Max. Oh, yun na siya. This is it. Guys, this is the new Apple Airpods Max, the most expensive headphones I have bought in a long while. Because usually if you think headphones, you'll think of headphones that sell for like, I don't know, maybe 5,000, 4,000. Sometimes you'd think 10 or 12, but this, the SRP is 32,000, and the current price right now, if you try to buy from the gray market, it's anywhere from 40 to 45,000. Let's remove the plastic so we can get a better view. So the case itself is color blue that matches the color of the actual earphones, and if you remove it, whoo, ganda! This is what the Airpods Max look like. So you are paying for Apple design, you are paying for well, the technology that's in this thing, and to be honest, I haven't researched much about it, so I will be doing like a more complete review in the coming days ahead. But yeah, I am super, wow, it's heavy. It definitely feels premium, it definitely feels the price, but let's try to listen how it sounds. As far as initial impressions go, it sounds good, it sounds nice, but am I seeing like a big difference to, for example, the expensive headphones of Sony, the ones with active noise cancelling that sell for around 20,000 pesos? I think I still need to put in a few more hours of listening and do like a head-to-head comparison, but that will come in a separate vlog. So yeah, I'm just happy to have it here. Pero alam nyo guys, hindi ko talaga gets tong case eh. Apple is known to really do stuff, I mean, amazingly well when it comes to user design. So I still cannot comprehend why this particular case, why this particular, I mean, you're supposed to hold it like a purse? Hindi ko gets eh. So, yun lang siguro yung complaint ko for now. I mean, I love the color. I love the quality of the build. The sound is very promising. But, what? Hindi ko talaga gets. This is the part where they have me stumped. I mean, I know for a fact that they come up with products that are so elegantly made. You have the MacBooks, you have the iPhone, you have the AirPods, you have their speakers. I mean, everything that they do, almost everything that's designed makes sense. This one just, yun lang. Hindi ko lang siya gets. But yeah, I'll try it out probably a few more days, put in a few more listens, and I'll get back to you guys with a more concrete review. Anyway, that's actually it for my very quick vlog for today. It's just me buying the Airpods Max and then testing it out, unboxing it for you all. I hope you're all having a great day, and I pray that you all have an amazing, blessed, meaningful Christmas. Guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's. See you soon. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.